Hey, if you want to set a video or live wallpaper on your Samsung A37 5G, there's multiple methods how you can do this, but let me show you my favorite one. So the first one, you have to open the Google Play Store, click on the search, and you have to input TikTok phrase. In this case, we are gonna use the TikTok. So you have to just simply download the TikTok application and also this extension, the TikTok live wallpaper. When you download both of those applications, when you have to go for TikTok, right now you have to click on the search and input that phrase, live wallpaper. And right now we can go for videos or for top wallpapers. You can just find everything that fits your preferences. You will have to just go for it. Now click on this button and click to set as a wallpaper. Now when it will be downloaded, you will find prompt and you will be redirected into this second TikTok application. But sometimes it is not working for some reason. So instead of setting wallpaper, you get nothing. So you have to just simply find that this wallpaper there is fully supported, because some of them are not supported for some reason. So this is it. Thanks for watching.